Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be changing the battery in this Audi remote key. Today we're going to need a CR2032 battery. Quite a straightforward one, no tools required for this one. And flip the key over, let's get straight into it. So a little silver button here, we press that in and release the emergency key. This is your emergency key should this fail completely and you need to get into your vehicle. Now this will give you access to the vehicle, and normally it's on the passenger side, door handle under a cap, but this may vary from model to model. So that's worst ways up, you need to get in. We don't need that for the moment, so we'll just pop that down there. We'll flip this back over and we just grip the side of the fob here with a little black button here that we press in. So we keep that held in, gripping it with first finger and thumb and gripping here, and then just slowly whittle that and it will come out. It's on a rubber seal, so it does feel tight. So there you go, it came out. We'll pop that to one side. Now please note that on this particular one the battery is placed in a positive side down. It's very simple, just rest your thumb on there and just this literally flicks out. So we'll pop that down for a minute, put the battery to one side. Okay, so on there it does say positive side. So if you've stripped this, and you can rewind the video, but if you take this out and you're like, which way did the battery go in, that gives you an indication, positive side down. So here's a new battery taken out of the packet earlier. There's your positive side that's got positive written on it. The positive side is always the smooth flat side. The negative side's like slightly domed. So we're going in positive side down, literally, be careful you don't bend the metal pins, just literally slide that in and it clips into place. Okay, this will only go in one way if you look in the end of the remote, and then just slowly push that in and then you'll feel it click into place. There you go, it's into place. We'll flip it over and get the emergency key, and that will only slide in one way. Click, job done. Okay, so just to test it, press the button, you'll get a little red light here. If you're not getting a red light, then maybe you've got a problem with your remote, but you should do. That's changing the battery and that's job done. And I hope this was helpful for you today. Please give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.